chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place, a place where you only can just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side.
Hey y'all, it's Jessie, Lynn, Somerville Kane, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your support. It means everything to me. I'm going to apologize in advance. I am sick, so I know my voice sounds horrible right now. I'm really sorry. If you're following me on Instagram, I posted 2 palettes earlier from a brand, which by now, by the title, you already know what the brand is. But anyways, from a brand I've never tried. And I got so many comments wanting to see a look with these palettes. So I decided I would film tonight, stay up late editing so I could get a video up in the morning, which I'm leaving early in the morning to take my mom out of town to the doctor. So it's going to be a kind of early video again, but I'd do anything for y'all. But I'm also getting up super early to film and get ready with me using the other palette. But the palette I'm using tonight is the Profusion Cosmetics Chocolates Palette. And I am so excited about this. It does come with this brush. I took it out. It's a real like heavy brush. Like it feels really sturdy. So that's really cool. We'll see how this works. And I have not swatched any of these yet. I'm really excited. Like these colors are so pretty, y'all. So we're just gonna see what we can come up with today. First off, I'm gonna go in with the shade Sugar, which is that shade right there in the corner. And I'm just gonna make sure that my eyes are good and set. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with Gentle, which is that shade right there. And I'm gonna pop that in my crease. It's not very dark, so it's probably really not gonna show up. But we're just going to go ahead and start our transition with that. Okay, I don't know if it's because this brush is pretty dense or what, but there is a lot of kick up with this one, this shade. But this brush is really dense, so that could be the reason why. I'm going to go in with a little bit fluffier brush. Okay, well, there's still quite a bit of kick up, but not as bad. Yeah, there's a lot of kick up. And usually I don't mind a lot of kick up, but there's a lot in this one. So hopefully it doesn't go by pretty quick, you know. And this is a Morphe M518 brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep using it. And then I'll just use this Profusion one to blend. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Likeable, which is that shade right there. And yes, I know I need to do something with my nails, but I've been so busy with traveling and being sick. I just have not had much time. This one has got quite a bit of kick up too, but we'll see how it performs. At least I'm not having to dig my brush in there to get some color, you know, to get it to come off on the brush. This is a nice, pretty transition shade. Alright, since I don't know how pigmented this is going to be, I'm going to go in very lightly, but I'm going to go in with this shade right there. The name is upside down for y'all, but it's called Fuse. Okay. Yes, this is pigmented. Like, I went in very lightly. I'm working that in the corner and blending it over some. That is definitely pigmented. I would hate to see what it would have looked like if I would have went in really heavy with it. These colors blend out so easily, y'all. After I'm finished with this look, I will give y'all some swatches. Alright, now I'm going to go in very lightly with that shade right there, and it's called Cool West. This is the shade that was like, yes, I've got to get this. It looks so pretty. Oh, that's so pigmented, y'all. Oh. And I'm just going to do the same with this one. Blend it, bring in the crease some. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm gonna go in with that Profusion brush and blend along the edges. Oh, this is so beautiful, y'all. Now, I will say I'm not seeing any fallout underneath my eyes, and I was nervous about that, but I'm not. And these two darker shades, there wasn't hardly any kick up, so that's really nice. Alright, now I'm going to go in with Illusion, which is that shade right there. And I'm going to take just this little brush from a BH Cosmetics set. And I'm going to highlight my brow bone with that. And then I'm just going to use that Profusion brush, keep wanting to say blush, and blend that out. I want to go in with Tango, which is that shade right there. And I'm going to use the flat side of that Profusion brush and spray it with my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 setting mist and put that on my lid. I'm not really liking that brush. Alright, I'm going to go in with the cream shadow brush from Real Her and spray it. Okay, that's a lot better. Take my finger. Ooh, okay. Yeah, just use your finger, guys. Yeah, use the finger. This is so pretty. Just gonna blend around the edges of that goldish color. It's like a goldish, I don't know, it's really pretty. Goldish champagne, oranges type color. Alright, I'm just making sure everything's good and blended. Alright, I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup off camera real quick, and I'll be right back so you can see how everything looks. And I'll do some swatches for y'all. And I'm just gonna kind of clean up a little bit of that green as well, and I'll be right back. Alright, this is the final look. I am very happy with how this palette performed. It was only, I think it was $10. Yeah, if you order it online, it's only $10. First couple of very light shades, there was quite a bit of kick up, which is fine. But on the darker shades, there was like none. And that's where it really matters if you ask me. Because if there's more kick up on the darker shades, that's when it's going to get really messy underneath your eye. And it was not a mess at all, so that's really awesome. I'm going to go in with some swatches real quick. Alright, these are the swatches. I kind of did them. We can't really see them on my arm. We'll do it like that. Here's the swatches. They are really pretty. I really like them. I am very excited to use this palette some more. Next look, I really want to use something with that Wicked shade. That's Wicked right there. And it's really, really pretty. I really like the way that today's look came out.
Under your spotlight.
Alright, I hope y'all liked this video. If y'all did, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. It's down below. And I will see y'all in my next video. Toodles!